Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about how to send shipments to Amazon warehouse from China or even from the USA to directly Amazon warehouse. So, what we need to, what information do we need before getting the shipments? We need to know which SKU we are going to ship. We need to know the master cartoon dimension, master cartoon weight, total number of cartoon, and units per cartoon, and ship from address from where we are shipping. We need to enter that address in the Amazon Seller Central. One more thing you need to keep in mind: in one case pack shipment, you can pack only one SKU in one cartoon. You cannot pack multiple SKU in one cartoon. Like you cannot pack, for example, let's say there are two t-shirts, one is black color, one is white color. You cannot pack both in one carton. If you are going to send case pack shipments, you can pack in one carton multiple SKU, but in that case scenario you have to send individual shipments, not the case pack shipments. So let's move to the seller central. So I have the information to send the. Okay, you can see I have the information of the boxes. I need to send three boxes for pink color. Each box has 80 units, and weight for each master cartoon is 21 kg, and also the dimensions for each cartoon I have that as well. So I have the information that I need to create a case pack shipments. So let's move to the seller central. So I need to send the pink color. Click search and action on selected, then send replenish inventory. Okay, so here first you need to check if you have entered the ship from address or not. So I have entered it already. If you are doing this, you have not entered, you need to check it with your factory and get the ship from address and enter it here. Okay, so as I need to create the case pack shipment, so I am going to create a new packing template. Make sure you check your marketplace destination as well, which you want. I'm going to send it to US, so it's US, and I need to create a case pack shipment. I will create a new templates. Okay, I am going to name the template as nursing. Or okay, and the template I will be case pack. Number of units in page will be 80, and the box dimension that I need to enter in the inches. I have it in the centimeter, so I need in the inches. So what will be it be? Okay, so for this 17.7. Okay, box weight I need to I have it, and which is 21 kg. Okay, so this probably will be 46 pound, 46 pound. Okay, this is for van. So maximum weight you can enter here, it will be 50 pound, because this is Amazon requirement for the for box shipment. Do not cross that weight for one box. So who will no prep category needed? Who label units by seller? Amazon can do this for you as well, but Amazon will charge you 50 cents for that. Okay, so when you have created the templates, you can save it. Okay, so it's showing me individual one, but I need to select the templates that I created. Okay, I have selected the one I created. Okay, units per box 80. Every information is same. Okay, okay. How many boxes I'm going to send? I'm going to send three boxes for this. Okay, so I'm entering three boxes. It has automatically calculated total number of units to 40. Okay, so you can print FNSKU here from as well, but I don't need to. I have done already, so I'm going to click confirm and continue. Okay, so our shipment is almost ready. So I'm going to select two more to ship it. Okay, so it's a small parcel delivery and ship from. Okay, ship to. Okay, UPS is not available between these Amazon or here. So we need to select non-Amazon partner carrier. So we can select it other. Okay, how they will be transported? It will be they will be transported by ocean, air, ground, whichever way you are using. You can select that. For me, it's ocean. Okay, so you need to select the delivery window as well. This is the time that Amazon wanted to know when you expect your shipments to arrive at fulfillment center. This information will help the Amazon warehouse to get your product in stock faster. So you need to choose an estimated range, 40 days range. You can even update this later on when you enter your tracking detail here. Okay, so for now I'm entering here 14 days for. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is all. Okay, accept charges and confirm. Okay, so this will generate a shipping label for us. Okay, so it has been done. So if you wanted to rename shipments, you can rename it. It's up to you. Okay, you can print the ship label here. You can choose whichever is okay for you. Thermal printing or which one. I'm going to do it thermal printing. Okay, proceed to enter tracking detail. Okay, here you can enter your tracking detail as well. Right now, I do not have a tracking detail, but after providing the labels, box labels to the supplier factory, I need to ask the factory to provide me the tracking label ID so that I can enter here. And so make sure after this you must enter your tracking information here as well. Okay, so this is how you will send your shipment from China to Amazon warehouse directly. Okay, if you have any question, any confusion, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.